On Indy's dirty coat, we're going to start out with this Clean Start by Christensen. I love this stuff. It's great for just giving me a good clean coat to start with before I do any serious grooming or conditioning. And then because he hasn't been in the regular show groom routine, I think he's the perfect candidate for this brand new Christensen Miracle Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. All right, here we have Indiana. Indy is a 7.5-year-old champion St. Bernard, and Indy hasn't been showing in a while, so he's not been in the regular grooming schedule. So I thought Indy would be the perfect dog to try out a new product on. So we're gonna go ahead and give Indy a bath. First, we're gonna start with our Clean Start because I love how that just gives me a nice clean coat to start with, gets all the junk out, and then we're going to give Indy a bath with the new Miracle Repair by Christensen. So Indy and I will be right back after our Clean Start bath. Here we have Indy. Indy is a retired show dog. Indy is 7.5 years old, and he's been out of the show ring probably for about 4 years now. And I thought he would be the perfect dog to try out the Miracle Repair Shampoo by Christensen on, because he hasn't really been in the regular show grooming protocol. So his coat is a little bit dry and damaged, and I think we will see how this goes. Ready, Indy? Oh, that smells good, kind of like tropical. It's got a nice lather to it. So we'll get that all on Indy, and we will come back once we have finished shampooing and rinsing. We're back with Indy. We just got done doing the Miracle Repair Shampoo. I just lathered it in and rinsed it out, and I can tell already when I was rinsing it out that the texture of his coat does feel more moist. We haven't even done any conditioner yet or dried him out, so I'm excited to see what we're going to get when we actually use the conditioner and get them all dry. Indy is back. We've got him all shampooed out with the Miracle Repair Shampoo. He's rinsed off, and now we're ready to go ahead and get started with the Miracle Repair Conditioner. So let's get to it, Indy. Come on, Indy. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. This one smells pretty similar to the shampoo. That rubbed in there. All right, we're going to get this put in here and rinsed out, and Indy and I will be back. And here we have Indy all done with his bath with the Miracle Repair Conditioner and Shampoo. It looks great. His coat is super shiny, and it's soft without losing texture. Honestly, I can't believe the shine on the coat. It's pretty amazing. So I think so far we are very impressed with this new product.